Hey and welcome folks, it's Mark Rolton coming to you from the engine room of Massland's HQ. I trust you've had a brilliant Christmas and I'm truly excited for you as 2014 opens to be an astonishing year in property. I often ask the question, where were you in the GFC? I know that it wasn't in these current times, but everyone seemed to struggle in property. But as we now embark upon a new year, I could not think of a better time to be aggressively investing in today's markets. I mean, it's extraordinary. We are seeing double-digit growth across the nation, except Perth, of course, but quickly catching up. Double-digit growth. So, Mark, if I'm buying a property at $500,000, I've already got $50,000 worth of capital gain locked in on an annualised basis. Absolutely. It's extraordinary. Today, folks, hear me very carefully right now. We have more demand than we have available property for sale. I mean, it's extraordinary. Our database is now barreling us over with demand, trying to get into more and more properties. My suggestion, if you've purchased a property in Glenfield, and the reason you're receiving this email right now is because you have actually been a purchaser, and you're obviously wanting to invest and do extremely well. I've got a valuation here that I think you'll find alarming. As you know, we sold those properties for $419,000. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, single car lockup garage, and all for $419,000. Body corporate or strata levies, as we call them, are a meager $14.86 per week. I mean, ridiculously low, which gives you and I a high yield, an extremely high return back on our capital. But I just commissioned a valuation that has now come back at $435,000. Mark, I bought it for $419,000 and now it's come back at $435,000. Yes, correct. That's today's valuation. What are they going to be worth, folks, at the end of 2014? Essentially one more year of capital growth to enjoy as the market charges ahead. If you're receiving this video, there's a very clear reason for that. And it's firstly, get your 10% organised. Get the deposit in, secure that. You've already got the best part of $15,000, $16,000 worth of gain according to a valuer. What's it really worth? Maybe somewhere between $440, perhaps even $445 in today's market. So I want you to encourage you, strongly recommend, get the housekeeping in order. Take care of things, folks. If you're going to be a legitimate investor, you're going to do well, yes, it means putting in some work. It means following up the paperwork. Taking care of business, i.e., is it equity, is it a credit card? What do I have to do? Transfer those monies right now. Why? Because unfortunately you'll miss out. We're in a situation with 53,000 investors on our database today where demand far outstrips our supply of opportunities like this. These kind of deals do not last long, as it's obvious, in today's market. But I want to recommend to you, take hold of that, folks. Seize the opportunity. This is what I do. And it's what great investors do. We push in and we do what is necessary. So if there's any other questions you've got on my team, feel free to send through your inquiries at inquiries@massland.com.au, and I look forward to enjoying the spoils of a brilliant investment as we open up and embark upon a whole new year of investing in 2014. Mark Rolton signing off. Enjoy your afternoon and bye for now.